Hi everyone, how are you tonight? My name is Heidi Bostic. I'm an independent designer with Couture, and we sell reusable silkscreen transfers as well as other surfaces for your home, easy DIY projects. Most of our product is these reusable silk screen transfer. Wherever there's white, there's a silk screen in here, and you can reuse this over and over again. It's amazing product. Hi Barbie. So tonight I'm going to show you, kind of not quite sure what I want to do, but we'll figure it out. Hi Rosie. So I have this transfer. It's a size C. And I love all the little flourishes and the down here. I also pulled out a diagonal pallet board. This happens to be one of my favorite surfaces. Hi Deborah. This is 12 by 18. It's a great surface for the value. It's very heavy. You can use either side of this. You can I've turned these into trays. Hi Nicole. So it's really good for anything, and I love to paint these. Hi Randa. So this is a transfer I want to do on here. What do you guys think for the background? What color do you think we should paint it? I kind of want a little bit of color on there, but not much. So I'm thinking that I want it to be white. Are you guys thinking the same thing? If I did it white, then I could do these letters in black and then do some of the flourish things in gold. What do you guys think? Hi Sheila. Hi Janet. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know where you're watching from. Put here if you put a 1 if you've never heard of Couture before, or you just watch me. I think the white will be really pretty. So I'm going to use chalk paint for this. This is what I have. I have the Kills chalk paint. That's something, leave as is. I can't, Randa. I don't know what it is. I do not like this gray. And here I am wearing gray. Oh. Like, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Are you telling me that so you can go to bed? So I'm gonna just take and put this on here, and hopefully it'll dry really quick. I have my heat gun. I do apply this paint in the direction of the wood. Who's used this diagonal palette board? I'm telling you guys. It's $17.99 in the catalog. If you're a designer, you can get it for a little over $10. So if you'd like more information about being a designer, that's the way to do it, because it's a great price. I'm sorry. I just got to paint it. We might distress it a little bit. We'll get it. We'll kind of do maybe a gray and white kind of look to this. I don't know what it is that I always love to paint this surface. Oh, hi Alicia. Thanks Sheila. So, you did get this one. I remember, Alicia. I remember you did get that one. Well, we're going to figure it out tonight. Okay, so just make sure that you go along your edges here, because it does tend to drip off the edges. This pallet board is amazing. I will tell you, Alicia. I don't know if you've gotten very many of their surfaces, but that's awesome, Randa. You know that big ski thing? Oh boy. I have an order to make one. I'm gonna hopefully get it done next weekend. I will only have Saturday off. And I'm gonna try to clean so we can have family over next week or on Thursday. And then I'll have a long weekend next weekend. Okay, so I have this all done here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dry this. Oh, you did? Oh, good. Did you like it? Do you like that surface? This is one of my favorite. It's even. So, has anybody started Christmas shopping yet? Do you have someone that's hard to shop for? I did have someone reach out to me that wants me to make. No, this is, any of their wood products are not reusable. So, you could, if it's a wood product, what you would have to do is sand it off. You could repaint it. Just the chalkboard. There's the white ones and the black ones. But the pallets are not reusable. Yeah, I have a 16-year-old that's gonna, she told me what she wanted for her birthday and I ordered it. Oh, that's good, Nicole. A husband is hard to shop for. He needs some more tools for his shed so you can use it, right? Right? I won't tell you what I just bought. I just used all my airline miles. I got my ticket today from, they booked my ticket today for Maui. So I had to buy my husband's Maui ticket. That's what I got for Christmas, for him. But it'll be so worth it. Oh no. See, I bought a phone for my daughter. She broke it. Now she had to buy her own phone. They appreciate it so much more when they have to buy it. Okay, I just got to dry the sides of this, and this is dried. She gotta go potty.
Yeah, I'm gonna go pee out.
I messaged you a Gus list. It's super cute. Aw, that would be cute. What's a Gus list? Is that like a guy? Oh, a guy's list? That would be fun. Alright guys, let's get the sides of this dry. Now she wants, because her birthday was just last week. Not even waiting until the next day. That night of her birthday, she told me what she wanted for Christmas. We shall see. They don't wait very long. Okay, so we have that done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sand this really quick. As soon as I wash my hands. Alright, so just take, you know, whether you want to do it with a palm sander or this would be fine for now. And I go with, again, do it with the grain of the wood. And then go, if you want your edges to look more, just go straight up and down. Okay. So then we're going to take some wax. I don't know if I have. Oh, that'll be nice. Okay, hold on guys. I gotta go get a piece of paper towel. I was not prepared tonight. I decided to take a little nap on the couch. Okay, so I'm out of foam brushes and I keep forgetting to get some. So I apply this in a circular motion on your board. And the thing about using our paste wax